Ndio kungan bora na mekinanga yayi magana da explain cikin Hausa na gwada muku yanda da ku yi in aka sha ruwa bottle water ko da pure water ake yayi abin da ke cikin kuma second yayi magana batun bottle water shine batun plastic mun gane ake shan ruwa sannan kuma ake shan drink da shi ya gwada muku yanda in aka sha ruwan yanda da ku yi ankuri ku masa roban kan
Yama shafo ina kwawa edoba amesi TV. Yes, and then we look kupiem over the former president John Dramani Mahama na kache. And then also John Dramani Mahama ubia onoso or pre Frank to so this year 2024 general election bana idea onoso betumi den etumi wini ababeye the president e dia magana back. But after that was announce ni campaign message da or the campaign message ankasa or the ba ababe so no announce. But after that, the former president, John Dramani Mahama, aye bibia if you born about. When say yes, and chebia ni who says some boys be enam kruma, ye from the Bastard boys. Bastard boys to Mojuman is okay. What are SCCC one can hang if you say AM for Juma and I say what I say. Or ye ball of four Juma and Kasan. These young boys, Eddie so many is okay. What are in my fin? Okoda Kuma Junction, what an hokumpe that area na. What an apandi wa these boys which me ko yim oko aladwa boys si ko koyesa oko abubushi market boys si to me ko prapra ho eku team ko team enye gota ketwa menua meka gotesa boys na tizitima oba kanishi first lighter these basso boys omo be yi ko team e man so to me den ekwa to me twem boko these basso boys enche omo ko aladwo so omo ko team go team shatawale eko surprise omo ko mo musika so okay adwuma boys ndi asu mani so omo ye no ye ne fe enye obia omo ye party nkola but omo ye omo se non-titi young boys a omo de adwuma bi esi omani so omo ye ono so person support omo shata etumi koi ekomo omo 30,000 e de support omo so monje shata ekomo omo 50,000 so monje enfan ye adwuma omo ye omo fan hyem den na omo omo ani nye den e wa adwuma omo ye and then ye ho a the former president John Dramani Mahama atonsa e dey affect these young boys pastor boys okay this year the manifesto na ewom no kura no ewom say sanitation oman ne dey oman Ghana bola kunipa okrum ha no edoso nti ono so dey si na ni so okay this year the manifesto no da bola initiative a okrum ha no opeso yi gotem nya dey ewom nti who say the young boys pastor boys dey initiative bi asi omani so yi gotem obi amfro mo mankasa so okay omunye party nkwala non partisan nkwala adwuma omoye no ehu ye omo fe nti wato omo sa e de afom so mombra me fie me no wonkomo mombra my office e no mokoye nkwala koya the vice president the former president chese dabi adwuma ohu so omoye no not came in hu so sport nkwala no so mu tigotem na gota omo tim no ohu se sa adwuma na boys ne tigotem na nka ye ma se yemfa ne se adwuma eye machine adwuma ba boys ni hye gota na se a omude shovel eyim eno se dabi sene dia adwuma nkwala ndi so mu hia support yenya obi a obetuma yeden a support omo obi a obepush omo so okay ni amoye mo nhirem ho nto no so yeden ohun na ye omo fe eno wa from so okay mombra enem so mi wo sika de mamo me de ba be support adwuma amoye na mo nhirem ho ntim tigwatim me mfrɛ mo sɛ mo ba ha no me ba be ye campaign mo be ye campaign for ma me dabi but mo wa ha because of adwuma me hu sɛ mo ye no eye me fɛ enuti ena maba the vice president the former president edis kana mo no trust okay me ma mo 50,000 monje ska we mo fan share adwuma na mo fan toto shovels fan toto pullovers warranty boot ni ade ntunu fa nyi gotem yie ba man frɛ mo sɛ mo ba no mo be campaign for ma me sɛ mama mo sika any party bi opese of from bi a obetuma frɛ mo ba me de me manifesto this year me de pa abonti on next month July no ewo maka say the cleanliness is what I say ewom da abrofo no nti ewom ewo sanitation ho de a me mamo sai ska we se monje na mo fanto PPEs correct PPEs ankasa enfan hye adwuma na mo ye no den minia enye yize na ye ni fe ni so the way the former president John Dramani Mahama it made this kind of man kwala motivate the young ones this what every day be asatawole kasa fa say yenya mpanifo bi na nka young boys ye bibi na penina to me hu so okay ni akwala na ye no enye because of me interest bi a me pe e wakwala ne mu ba me support no jefato PPs eba ne sa e man kwala no a shen motivate the young ones, because every day and every day in Natibia, the young Ghanaians wanted to leave the country because the country is no war. The country in him, the country was so. What I say a banner sadia. Say young pennyfo bit say supported the young ones. Ebema omani woman so any job or man ma the young one so etumenya ahoɔden ahokeka eyi omo ho asi so mo ye adwuma bi say these young boys pastor boys omo fiase no omo pla sek oni ade na obi amfo mo yehwe ye hu ya ne hyɛ tawale asport omo akwa surprise omo sisi ya the second person the former president John Dramani Mahama so what sports omo amma omo sika support omo nia yanko tie nsama ya the basketball boys no omo ka de John Dramani Mahama after omo kodu efie ho. And after John Dramani Mahama so edis kana mom in someone ankasa so catch the boys no se monje na monkonko ye adwumaden emfa ma oman the mother Ghana enya meme hu nti ba adwuma amafi ase dadan monfo do ni asoma emfa nko wie nkonko tie the former president John Dramani Mahama ni nsama o catch the basketball boys after omo 50,000 se monje emfa nko to PPs emfa nse adwuma amoye no. This is what is trending.
In general, to remind ourselves that this is a country built on volunteerism. Because I read history and I read in the past where our ancestors were building railways just by volunteering to support build our nation. So we were looking at something that we can also do to reignite the spirit of Ghanaian in everybody, to begin to look within the country. Then we can also see the problems and we can also contribute like this so that we can assist.
So that we desilted the gutters, we cleaned, all the rubbish around. Unfortunately, that sense of volunteerism has continued to wane. And because urban centers are growing bigger and more populated, what we call urban anonymity makes people not keep the same standards of hygiene and sanitation that they normally would if they were back, in their rural communities where they actually have come from. Because you come into the urban setting and you become anonymous. You're just one of 5 million people. And so you think that you can eat something and just throw the plastic away. And it's estimated that Accra generates between 2,000 and 3,000 tons of garbage every day. And we haven't yet nailed down how we can put in the kind of system that takes care of all this garbage and handles it properly. And so there's a gap there, and that's where the spirit of volunteerism comes in. I remember when we were growing up, every morning early, about 4 a.m., 4:30, the household wakes up, and the first thing we do is sweep around our house and sweep the house clean and gather all the garbage and go put it where it is supposed to be put. Unfortunately, that spirit has completely been eroded. And so when I saw you guys, young people, filling in that gap, I thought that you needed to be encouraged. We're at the stage where we're doing our manifesto, and sanitation and cleanliness is one of the areas that we're going to be looking at. And one of the major problems we have is the problem of plastic pollution. And I'm sure that in all the work you do, all the garbage you take, you are shocked at the amount of plastic and food packaging, especially that styrofoam food packaging. That is the most pernicious polluter in this city. So I thought I'll call you today and encourage you and tell you that I've noted what you're doing, and maybe this visit would even raise your visibility to a different platform. It's non-partisan completely. I'm doing this not because I want you to vote for me. I just want to encourage you. If any other political leader wants to meet you, they can meet you. But I think that you are people who should be encouraged, and that's why I called you here today. When we come, you're the kind of people who want to talk to see how we can organize the whole sanitation thing. Yeah. There's our widow's mite. Now that we know some of the things that you need, like Aboboya and other things, we'll seek some sponsors and see if they can donate some of these things to you so that you continue your work.